how to set color correction to Deutan Protein treatment Grayscale on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. Click on accessibility and click on vision enhancement. After click on vision enhancement, scroll down and click on color correction. After click on color correction, so scroll down to end, you will see Deutan, Protan, Triton and Grayscale is here. If you want to set Protein, so click on Protein. If you want to set Triton, so click on Triton. If you want to set Grayscale, so click on Grayscale. If you want to set Deutan, so click on Deutan. After setting, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set color correction to Deutan, Protein, Triton, Grayscale on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.